Welcome to the NoobTube YouTube channel for day 240. This was the 27th of April 2023, a Thursday. So I had another day on the phones. It was a tough day, a long day. I'm making some progress on the phones, making some progress with my insurance sales. It's tough, but it's also gratifying when it works. So I'm not there yet. No, don't want to prematurely celebrate, but I have a few sales, so that's really good. It's more of a relief than a celebration at this point, but I will take it. I will take it, and I'm grateful for that. I'm grateful for the people who have purchased from me. Actually, it's not really a purchase. They just signed on. They accepted a plan through me, and I'm very grateful that they did. Grateful for all the people who put all this together, grateful for the insurance companies, grateful for everything that came together to make this all possible. So, yeah, beside that, worked on books a little bit. I have been, really devoted to doing this, and it's taking a lot of energy out of my time, and I have to reorganize my schedule. But I need to recommit to the other things, because I've made this my focus for this week, is to, start this endeavor. So I will recommit to doing exercise. I haven't exercised like I should have. But, I had been good for so long. I hadn't missed like a single day. So starting next week, it's back to the same schedule for exercise. And even tomorrow, I'm committing tomorrow to go back on the same exercise regimen, and everything will be back to the same, making the time for it. So that's it for day 240. Let me know your thoughts, comments, suggestions, and like, comment, subscribe. I'll talk to you tomorrow.